Scotland's peatlands are internationally important and cover around 20% of the land area. They are also our largest carbon store. Healthy peatlands provide a host of benefits. As well as storing carbon, they support rare wildlife, including plants such as sphagnum mosses and sundew, and birds such as the golden plover. Healthy peatlands provide regulating services such as air and water purification, thus improving air and water quality. They store water, so can help with flood prevention and control. Lots of work is being done to restore and enhance peatlands in Scotland, funded through the Peatland Action Fund. Heathland and peatland often occur side by side in an upland mosaic, but peatland can be distinguished by probing with a cane or pole to see if the peatland is more than 50 centimetres deep. To assess conditions, consider several factors. Is there evidence of bare peat or erosion? Is there evidence of artificial drainage? Assess the cover of sphagnum mosses. Assess the impact of grazing, trampling, or burning. Where vegetation cover has been lost, bare peat can no longer sequester carbon and is vulnerable to erosion. We therefore assess how much bare peat there is and if the peat is actively eroding. Drainage. When it comes to bogs, the wetter the better. A good indication is if your boots are sinking in, that's a good thing. Drains dry out and damage peatland, so we look at if drainage channels are absent, occasional or frequent. These can sometimes be difficult to see on the ground, but may be more easily seen on aerial photographs where they appear as a series of parallel lines. Drain blocking can re-wet the bog and improve its condition. Sphagnum mosses are the key part of a functioning bog as they are the basis of forming peat. They hold a huge amount of water, storing up to 8 times their own weight, like a sponge. Layers of peat form as the undecayed plants build up in the wet acidic conditions of the bog. A bog in healthy condition will have a good cover of sphagnum mosses. Grazing and trampling can lead to peat erosion, so assess the impacts of both grazing livestock and deer. Look for bare areas and signs of tracking and wallowing. Burning is not permitted on peatland because of the damage it causes and the carbon it releases. Unfortunately, peatland is sometimes burned during wildfires and this will affect its condition. Focusing management on your land to ensure peatlands are in a healthy condition should be a priority as they are iconic habitats in Scotland and offer a nature-based solution to help address climate change and biodiversity losses.